Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Megha from Homoeopathic Clinic. Today I'll be talking about enlargement of prostate gland or cancer of prostate gland, and what are the treatments and what are the homeopathic medicines which are really helpful in the treatment of prostate gland. So many people will be thinking that homeopathy does not have and medicine for this kind of disease. No, it's wrong kind of myth, so don't fall into that. So I'll be talking about why it happens and what are the causes, symptoms, and what are the homeopathic remedies which are really helpful in the treatment of prostate gland. Approximately 75% of all the men over the age of 70 suffer from prostate problems. Symptoms are usually caused by the enlarged prostate. In some cases, it is an cancer, and in some, it's only an enlargement. What is enlarged prostate gland? Possibly due to an male hormone concentration, the gland grows and putting a pressure on the urethra. Because of that, they have this urgency to pass the urine, or there is leakage in the urine and everything. What are the symptoms? Weak urinary stream, frequent urination. Urination takes longer than normal. If untreated, can cause bladder infection and kidney failure. Secret thick whitish fluid that helps transport sperm. Growth of the prostate gland stops at the age of 20, starts again after the age of 50. So what is prostate? It is a cluster of glands about the size of an walnut. Surrounds the urethra, the tube carrying urine from the bladder. Prostate cancer, second most common cancer among the men. What is symptoms of this prostate gland? It's same as weak urinary stream, frequent urination. Urine takes longer than normal. If untreated, can cause the bladder infection and kidney failure. And the symptoms between the prostate cancer and the enlarged prostate is almost the same, similar to those of the enlarged gland. So these are the things of the prostate gland. Now I'll be talking about what are the homeopathic remedies which are really helpful in the treatment of this enlarged prostate and prostate cancer. First one is Beretta cup. Beretta cup is given in the enlargement of prostate gland in old people. Anacardium orientalis. Prostate fluid passes while at stool and after having the water also. Allosocotina. Involuntary passing of urine in old age due to enlarged of prostate gland. Acid force. Prostate gland fluid passes even when passing soft stools. Cadmium pause, useful in suspected cancer of the prostate gland when it is in an early stage. Conium mac, discharges of prostate gland or the prostate fluid on every motion with itching and enlargement. Urine starts and stops again and again. Cystalis, constant urging to pass urine which comes in drops with a cutting and throbbing pain in the bladder. Hepatorenum, enlargement of prostate gland with burning in bladder and urethra on urinating. Dysuria, polyuria, constant desire to avoid urine. Ferrum pick, it is one of the most or the best remedies for enlargement of prostate gland in the aged. Frequent urination at night with a feeling of fullness and pressure in the rectum. Saline hypertrophy of prostate. Hydrangea, mother tincture, it is given in a mother tincture form. Enlargement of prostate gland without any complications, especially in old people. 2 doses of 5 to 10 drops morning and evening per day. Very difficult urination. It also works well in 200 and 1M potency. Urine may be retained especially in men over 50 years of age. Lycopodium. Back pain before urination which goes after the what? Urine is slow. Urine is slow to come and the patient strains to pass it. Lycopodium is given in 1M potency. It is useful for the cure of prostate cancer. Ferromet. It is also given in the inflammation of the prostate gland, chronic nephritis and high blood pressure. Difficult mental concentration and confusion are removed by the use of this remedy, that too in a 30 potency. Next one is Serpulsar. Burning in urethra while passing urine and difficulty in passing urine, recent or chronic enlargements, sensation of coldness from the prostate gland to genitals, discharge of prostate fluid, involuntary and other prostatic fluids, troubles, constant desire to pass urine at night, selenium met, discharge of prostate fluid during stool, and enlargement of prostate gland in elderly men, dribbling of prostatic juice, burning during sleep. The use of foods containing this metal reduces the risk of prostate cancer. It is found in minute quantities in meat, fish, whole grains, dairy products and vegetables grown in selenium-rich soil. Stephysagria. Enlargement with frequent urge to pass urine. Sensation as if a few drops remained. Burning in urethra when not urinating. Urging and pain after urinating. Tuja occasionalis. Prostatic discharge is thick and green. Inflammation of the gland is also seen. You can also use so much of mother tincture in the form of treatment of prostate cancer or enlargement of prostate gland. What can really cause the prostate thing and really reduce this type of thing in the old age people after the age of 50? Eating tomato reduces the risk of prostate cancer, so better eat the tomatoes. Tomatoes contains vitamin A, B complex, C, as well as iron and potassium. Red tomatoes contain lycopene, which protects against a variety of elements including prostate gland. Lycopene is also found in watermelon and papaya, so better eat the tomato, watermelon and papaya. Of course, everything should be taken in a limited form. Whatever you take in a very big form, of course everything is been not good. Next one is excessive use of albumin in water or in the food is believed to be one of the major cause of cancer of prostate. Prostate is a small gland about the size of cheese nut, seated just below the bladder. It secretes fluid which transports the sperms during ejaculation. Women do not have an prostate. Only men has the prostate. Prostate gland is not always affected in urinary problems. It is best to control and consult an uronologist for a person who is suffering with any kind of symptoms before taking the treatment. Prostate cancer patients are being effectively treated by using a vaccine prepared from their own cancer. Researchers have been made for this vaccine by drawing the blood from the prostate cancer patients. This vaccine shrinks the prostate tumor and puts an hold on its growth. A comprehensive study which appeared in a Journal of American Medical Association in Jan 2000 revealed that nearly 66% of men who had their cancerous prostate removed become impotent, and more than 8% had this leaky bladder control, according to doctors. Impotency results from injury or removal of two nerves. During surgery to remove the cancerous prostate gland, this also happens. So this is all about the prostate gland and the enlargement of prostate gland. Please do like and share and comment on this video, and also don't forget to press on the bell icon so that whenever I put a new video you will be notified. Myself Dr. Megha from Homeopathy Clinic, and I am a practitioner of homeopathy from 5 years.